What's happening, traders? Welcome back to the next part of the My Forex Funds challenge, and we've just jumped here on gold, and I've just spotted this really nice setup. So just going to enter a trade right now, and we're going to go for a 50 cents lot. So we're going for quite a high size lot. I managed just to get in a little bit lower than that. But basically, I'm going to run through the reason why I've taken this trade. It's looking very nice. So we've got this demand zone here, supply zone here, which price is pushed down. We've got our entry, filled the gaps inside, and we've broken structure. So that looks great, right? So that follows our rules that we like to follow for this strategy. We then go to the 30-minute, and the 30-minute is broken down below all these lows here, okay? Nice big push down, price is pushed up, and this candle still has 10 minutes to go. And I feel like this candle is going to flip bearish, okay? And then push down, taking out this wick, and then potentially push down and take out a wick, the wick bottom here. Gold has kind of wanted to push up, reacted off this area here, which is a supply zone, and then has pushed down, breaking below this 1 hour zone here. And the 1 hour is also looking the same as the 30-minute, identical candles really. So my bias is bearish. So we've got two setups there really. We've got a breakout with a potential flip, but we managed to get early on the flip with our supply and demand setup here. So we got two strategies in one. This is going to be a 7.8 pip TP, and we may manage to trade sort of around here for our first TP, which is actually we go for our 1-to-1 for our first TP on this trade, I think, which is just there, and then we're going to look for our 7.8 down to there. So that's the trade. I've got this running on the what's it called? The challenge and my main account. So let's see how this goes. I managed to get in a little bit earlier on my main account. 2599 stop loss is going to go there. So yeah, let's see how it goes. We've got a 50 cents lot on, so for gold that's quite a bit. So we'll see what we get. Okay, jumping back in, we've pushed down into profit quite nicely now. That supply zone has really given some supply to the market. We're up about $50 right now, so we're about $60 in profit on the account so far. So this is going to be a really, if we can get down to here, this is going to be a really nice start to today's video. And it may be the only trade we do on this today because I've got quite a busy afternoon, and I'm going to go ride my skateboard with a friend this afternoon as well. So if we can come down to this first TP, I don't see the reason why we couldn't. This didn't want to break above here. The only real option for it to do now is to break below these lows, really. And that would mean that this candle flips. And if this candle flips, then it's likely there's going to be even more downside. And then we're going to target this down here, and maybe even to the bottom of this range, because we've got support, past resistance, which needs to become support. Well, it doesn't need to, but is likely going to become support. So this is looking good. That candle's just closed. That's okay, because this is also another entry. If this candle breaks below this candle, this would also be an entry for me for a double entry. I'm not going to take it. So that would be a good thing. The hour candle's still going, and the hour candle can still flip bearish. So all looking good so far. All looking good. Okay, guys, so just a second ago, this candle did flip blue, which is a great sign. And you can see we're pushing down quite nicely. There it goes again. We're currently in about $110, $115 profit, which is fantastic, taking us up to about $110, $115 profit on the challenge. We need $400. I really want the 15-minute candle to also, the 30-minute candle to also break this low, which is another confirmation for me that price is going to push down, and we want to keep coming to the downside. Price action is showing that that's going to happen, so I'm feeling fine and happy with the trade so far. Obviously, it was a great trade because we are in great profit, and we had two strategies that gave us this setup. So yeah. If we can come down to here, I'm definitely going to be taking some profit, and then I'll let the rest run for the rest of the day. So I'll see you guys with an update in a minute. Alright guys, we're pushing down towards first TP. I'm going to take 40 cents out because we are up so much there. We just cleaned out $114. We're $30 still in profit. I'm going to bring stop loss to break even here. And we're going to let the rest run, hopefully down to our first TP down here at 1826. And yeah, I'm happy with that. So we're up and locked in of $122.76 in profit. I'll throw that up on the screen now just so you can see this running. Okay, and there we have it. That was a nice trade. Really cool analysis. You know, we had this supply zone trade worked out, and then also with the knowledge of candles and the breakout trades, that this I was expecting this candle to flip bearish. It still could, okay, because we've still got 21 minutes left on this candle. I really do highly think that it's going to shoot up above here and continue up unless we had some mad news, but I don't think we're actually expecting any news today. So quite happy for that 10 cents to keep running down to here, and if we do get down to here, that's going to be like another $50 to $60 profit, which takes us to about halfway on the challenge of phase one, that is. So all good stuff. I'm going to leave the video there. No, I'm not. I'm going to see how this plays out, and then we'll come back, and then I'll leave the video there. So I'll leave this running, and then yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay then, guys, so jumping on the chart, it's a few days later. I went out and had too much fun on my skateboard and forgot to film the finish of this trade. But as you can see, after we took our first TP around this area here, price pushed down. We had a little liquidity grab below this low, and it seems price pushed up. We hit break even, and then price pushed up further throughout Thursday into Friday. But still a great trade, and still a great move forward to our challenge goal. This is the reason why we take partials, right? So we can get some money off the table, get some in the bank, eliminate our risk, and then if this did continue down further, then we would have carried on profiting, but we didn't lose anything more, and we're up. So great trade, great session, and yeah, we're going to continue with this challenge as we have been doing, and I hope you're enjoying it. I really appreciate all the comments and stuff you guys have been giving. I'm happy that I've been able to help some of you out, and some of you have been saying you've been able to become more profitable with some of the videos. So literally, this is also help me help you situation. Me filming my trades helps me because I talk about it. It helps with my mental game, and it's yeah, I'm glad that it's working both ways. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.